Welcome to Influence Crypto. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment, anything to help get the word out. Alright, let's get started. So, what is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network that is not reliant on any central authority such as a government or bank to uphold or maintain it. That computer network is called the blockchain. Blockchain is a shared ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a network. Crypto is similar to the stock market, as investors will purchase crypto to support a business or a community project that in turn will grow in hopes to promote positive financial gain through the increase of value of that particular asset. Alright, so how do I buy it? Well, not so fast. There's a few important fundamentals that you should learn before investing in the crypto market. The most important thing before you start investing in the crypto market is to do your own research. And I don't mean just about the fundamentals and the basics of crypto. Whenever you're going to invest into a coin or a token or any kind of project, or even a stock if you're in the stock market, you need to know what you're investing in. You never want to just take anyone's word on any information given to you about crypto. Even if they're a close friend or relative, they may not mean any harm, but they just may not have the correct information that they're relaying to you as well. So there's a lot of misinformation online. There's a lot of news and excitement around crypto, but there's also a lot of misinformation, and honestly, there's a lot of scams out there as well. There are scam tokens, there are scammers that are trying to scam you out of your legitimate tokens, and just doing your own research kind of helps you steer away from anything that might be suspect. Most crypto tokens or coins are launched on the Ethereum network or the Binance network. They're the two most popular ones. So the best place to get information on whatever asset you're looking to invest in is either Etherscan, which is a website for the Ethereum network, and then they have BSC Scan, which is a website for the Binance network. I will be making a more detailed video on both of those websites in the near future, so just make sure that you are subscribed and do click that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new informational video for you guys. The next things to know before investing is what market cap is, what coin supply is, and how they affect your crypto assets' ability to grow or decline in value. So market cap is the price per share times the total number of outstanding shares of that asset. And this basically tells you how much overall value in the market that crypto asset has. One of the most commonly used websites to see how crypto assets rank in order of market cap is coinmarketcap.com. When looking at your crypto's coin supply, you first have total supply and then circulating supply. Total supply is how many tokens or coins that the crypto started with when it launched. And the circulating supply is how many remaining tokens the crypto has in circulation today. Most crypto projects are deflationary, which decrease supply over time, which in turn increases value due to higher exclusivity, which equals higher demand. Alright, so now we have the basics. What else should we look at before investing? Find a crypto asset you are interested in and look at their website. Most all cryptos will have a white paper, which explains what the token is all about and what they plan to accomplish. They will also have a roadmap that maps out a timeline of events the token will set out to achieve, so you know what stage of the project you are currently at. The website should also explain the tokenomics behind the asset and show you where you are able to purchase it. Every crypto has its own unique contract address that identifies it on the blockchain. Always make sure you get the correct contract address for the token straight from the website of that token. Okay, so what is tokenomics then? Tokenomics is the economic structure of the crypto asset. Some cryptos will have a buy and sell tax of around 10% on the buy and 10% on the sale. This tax will get divided into different sections of the token, such as burn, reflections, marketing, liquidity, development, and more. So what is burn? Burn is when you take tokens out of the circulating supply and you remove them and send them to a dead wallet address on the blockchain. This dead wallet address on the blockchain will have no access to it, so there's no way that the developers of the token or anybody else can access these tokens. They are locked out of the supply of the coin. And remember, with decreased supply equals increased demand. Reflections are like dividends in stocks. Every so often you may receive reflections from the token when there's a buy or sell, or if you're going through an exchange, there may be a payout date that every so often you get paid out in these reflections. But basically your wallet will grow with basic holding, which means over time you're gaining passive income. A few other important things to consider before investing. Never make buying or selling decisions based on emotions, but rather based on research and facts. And never invest more than you can afford to lose, or possibly do without for any amount of time. That is going to be it for today's video. Those are the basics and fundamentals of learning cryptocurrency and just the overall market and how things work before you start investing. My next video will be on how to start purchasing and investing and creating your own wallet and things of that nature. So please, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, share, comment, hit that notification bell. This is Influence Crypto, and we're here to teach all those who are here to learn about cryptocurrency. Thank you folks, and have a great day.